Liz Truss is the new UK Prime Minister after being appointed by the Queen at Balmoral Castle. She became Britain's third female Prime Minister after meeting Queen Elizabeth II at Balmoral Castle. The Queen asked Truss, the 15th Premier of her reign, to form a new government after earlier accepting Boris Johnson's resignation. Johnson bid farewell to number 10 this morning after 1,139 days in office. In an early morning speech from the podium in Downing Street, he outlined his legacy and called on the Tory party to unite behind his successor. He suggested he would slip into political obscurity, although a reference to Roman statesman Cincinnatus fueled speculation he could consider a future comeback. Truss will address the nation later this afternoon from Downing Street, with the makeup of her cabinet set to emerge shortly after. Details of her plans to address the energy crisis, the most pressing issue for the new government, are set to become clear as soon as Thursday.